Hey guys, I come up with a new video. I just wanted to make sure that it should be work. I'm going to add a motor like make a mini toy car. I'm going to mount this motor here and let us see how it works. So I have took this small like the toy and I just added this small cover here and again this four wheels and again this the gear. The gear has to be fixed till is in the loosened state. I'll show you that once I remove the wheel. I'll show you that. Still it is in the loosened state, like I can see that it's rotating by itself. It's not like actually fit for this. I can show you that. And if you very closer, so see you can see that this is what it's about. So to show this motor now, I think it's good. It also is good. And what I'm going to do is add a battery here, like just to manage the power for this motor. So I will add this display, so it will be connecting on the very well. What I'm going to do, I'm just connect this both wire first. So I'm going to show it while these both wires should disconnected each other. I think it's good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a double set tape just to mount this power like a battery pack. So just it will be support for this and this way. So this cable will be for this and this, and there will be one button which is I'm going to add it here. So just keep watching this channel now. So what I did now, I'll just remove this wire and connect it back to the button wire directly. I don't want to add extra wire on this. So this way is going the one side of the motor and this way is going one side of the button, and this button will going to connect here. I just want to break this connection. That's the reason I added the button in the middle of this both connection. So let us see how it goes. Okay, the wiring connection is done. I'm going to mount this button here. Okay, I have connected all the wires and the button as well as the battery. I think it's ready now. Let us test it how it goes.